Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for 706 in Oklahoma on its RCI-2970N2. 706, we went through this unit, truckerized it. That's our peak tuning and alignment. Set it up for you and it's ready to go. I'll show you what we got. Our power all the way down. 5-watt slug. 1 watt as you requested. I'll spin it all the way up. I'm going to go to that 1000-watt slug here. About 50 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power. Low audio. Low audio. About 120 bird watts. Let's go to the peak side right here. Still on the 1000-watt slug. Hello audio. We're at about 300 watts peak. Already 706 is ready to come to you, my friend, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.